Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is 30th March 2021, and today we do the page number 7 and 8 of Countdown Book 4. So students, open your page number 7. In previous lesson we do the exercise 1A, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Today we do the question number 10. Write the numbers in expanded forms. Here is a number. When we write it expanded form, first you write here like this. After that you solve the questions. First you write the first digits, and now you count unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. We write here 7, and after that unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. You write here the 6 digits, 60. After that you write the second numbers, and you count the unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. First you write the digit, after that you write the 50. In 100,000 we have a 50, unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000. You write 0, after that you write 40. Then you write again 0, and after that unit, 10, 100, unit, 10, 100. Thousands, unit, 10, 100,000, unit, 10, 100,000. You write here 40. After that you write the 0 and unit, 10. 2 digits, we write here the 2 digits, unit, 10. We write here 10 plus 7. You solve all these questions like this. Fill in the blanks. Here is the sign of the greater than, less than, or equal than. 6,984,529 is equal to the 6,894,529. 45,800,000 100 less than 45,810,100. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 359 unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 359,412,025 less than 359,412,125. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 6 million. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 800,000. 152 is equal to 6,800,152. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 100 unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 100 million 985,263 is greater than 99,985,265. Write the numbers that match the following expanded forms. Here is the following expanded forms. You write first digits 6, 9, 2, 5, 0, 2, 7. You solve all these questions like this. Arrange the given numbers in ascending orders. First we write the smaller value. After that we write the बिगर वैल्यू, अराउंड द लाइक द बिगर वैल्यू. सबसे पहले आप सबसे छोटी लिखेंगे, फिर उससे बड़ी, फिर लास्ट पे सबसे बड़ी. इनमें से जितनी वैल्यूज़ होंगे वो सबसे बड़ी लिखेंगे. जैसे आप यहाँ पे देखें, यूनिट, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 45,298,653, 45,288,653, 45,308,653. First you write the 288 is the smallest numbers, 288, 298 and 308. 288 is the smallest number. First we write this value. Second we write the 298. After that we write the 308. You solve all this question like this. Arrange the given number in descending order. In descending order, first we write the bigger value and then smaller, and after that smaller. First we write here the 645. In second we write the 245. In third we write the 455. We see the mid digits because here is a same. First digits is same and last are the same. That's why we see the mid value. Go to your page number 8. Addition. What is an addition? Adding big numbers is simple provided we remember to write our columns carefully and work from right to left. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We write here 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. We write here 2, 1 carry, 9, 1 10, and 1 carry is 11. We write here 1, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 is 7, 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 carry is 12. We write here 2, 1 carry, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We write here 3, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We write here 7. Do not forget to start with the ones. Do not forget to start with the ones that add the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands, then the 10,000, and lastly the 100,000. Subtraction. If we write our columns carefully and remember to work from the ones column first, we find that subtraction with big numbers is easy. Here when we subtract, you see that the first number is smaller and we take a carry in it. Here is a 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Here we have a 7. We again take a carry in it, and 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Here we have a 5. We take again carry. 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now we have a 4. We take another carry. 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. We have a here we have a 2. We take a carry again it, and 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now we have a 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Exercise 1b, filling the blanks. Here is the numbers of exponent 5. We write 1, 6, 9, 5. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 12,000, 500 minus 5,600. Unit 10, 100,000, 56,000, 600, 6,900. 100 more than unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 99,990 equal to यूनिट 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. आपने इसमें इस वैल्यू में इसको ऐड कर लेना है, जमा कर लेना है, और आपके पास ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी. 2500 must be added to unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 50 to make a unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100, 2,000, 510. We must add it at 2500. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 49,396 minus unit 10, 100,000, 10,000. 39,310 is equal to unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 10,000 and 86.